Hi, my name is Sahir Azam, and I'm the Chief Product Officer at MongoDB. Across the world, we see organizations creating, disrupting, and transforming industries by leveraging software and data, all powered by the cloud. Research estimates that 500 million applications will be built over the next few years. These applications will need to address the requirements of the future, from serving global audiences to powering ever richer experiences across a variety of touchpoints. One of the great things about the cloud is that foundational infrastructure such as storage, compute, and networking have all become things that developers no longer need to worry about. It's all been abstracted and automated. But what we see on the data side is that the developer experience of working with data is actually becoming more complex and cumbersome. There are now hundreds of different data technologies and services, and it's turned into a proliferation of specialized and niche data technologies, each designed to solve a small piece of the puzzle that's getting larger and larger. A common complaint we hear and a common pattern we see is that as teams are trying to build more advanced applications and more of them, they add these specialized data technologies to their data architecture. Search engines, graph databases, dedicated databases for time series, a separate solution for data on mobile or data at the edge, specialized databases for different types of analytical workloads. Essentially, organizations become bogged down with designing, testing, monitoring, and maintaining this overly complex data architecture versus actually innovating by building great applications. This complexity has become a direct risk to the business. Together with Google Cloud, we've built a data platform for developers that extends beyond the operational database to solve all the application workload needs across an entire organization. MongoDB is built on a flexible document data model that not only maps to how developers think and code, but also aligns to the shape and scale of modern data. We've paired this with a unique way of querying data that feels like a natural extension of the programming languages developers use day in and day out. Recently, we've taken these core tenets and extended them to transactional, search, analytical workloads, and more. This is all presented to developers in a unified platform called Atlas, with one way of working with data where the plumbing between services and the components is completely abstracted, so development teams can focus on what they do best. Thank you.